Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Adobe Photoshop, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Adobe Photoshop, start by visiting the official Adobe website. Once on the website, locate the Creative Cloud section. Click on the Download Photoshop button. You may need to create an Adobe account if you do not have one already. Follow the prompts to enter your email and create a password. After registering, return to the download page and sign in with your new account. Once signed in, click the download button to initiate the download of the Creative Cloud installer. The installer will begin downloading to your computer. Locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. You may be prompted to allow the application to make changes to your device. Click Yes to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation of Creative Cloud. Once installed, open the Creative Cloud application. In the Creative Cloud app, navigate to the Apps tab. Find Adobe Photoshop in the list of available applications. Click the Install button next to Photoshop. The download and installation process for Photoshop will begin. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take several minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, you can launch Photoshop directly from the Creative Cloud app. Alternatively, you can find Adobe Photoshop in your computer's Applications or Programs folder. Upon launching Photoshop for the first time, you may need to log in with your Adobe account. Once logged in, you're ready to start using Adobe Photoshop for your creative projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.